Balla is back. Season 3 is hotter than ever.
I want my shorts to look like they could fit my son. These, no.
Welcome to the Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. It's your girl Danger, and without further ado, let's get right into today's topics. Alright, burritos, so for today's topics, we will be discussing the return of one of the hottest Jamaican YouTube series, Balla, along with, let's just say, a little clothing discrepancy that love and hip-hop star Safaree had the other day. Top Balla, yeah, top Balla. Alright, burritos. So recently, Barracks Entertainment shared a video of their upcoming season for Balla. And for those of you who may not know what Balla is, really and truly, it is a YouTube series that explores the storyline of a young boy who falls in love with a teacher. And people, this is not no little round the back, round the corner YouTube series. This series happens to get over 100,000 views per episode, with some of these episodes having over 200,000 views. And trust me, if you want to hear about Jamaican drama and Jamaican mix up and all sorts of storyline twist up, turn up, and all sorts of boom bang bang, then this is the YouTube series that you should be watching. So yeah man, this series successfully went through season 1 and season 2. However, after season 2, you know, as a company and a creative company, they were facing some financial struggles, so it took them a while to step into season 3. And people, the other day, them go share the trailer for season 3, and it's all piece of excitement on the media. Uno take a look.
Balla is back. Season 3 is hotter than ever. A past that will never leave them alone.
A little birdie tell me say them a suspect for murder.
I'm gonna go to the police station and I'm gonna tell them everything will really happen.
You mad? I'll bring you and your little friend them here to ask if you know Ricardo Johnson. We have reasons to believe these kids were involved in a murder, sir.
You have 5 minutes to release these kids.
Tensions will be high.
You fed in a punk?
I know you're not get that if you help that bitch.
Brandon myself a pass my phone.
Say, bet Michelle this out.
Shell out, woman.
Get up and let Cambodia. Don't come to tell you see me.
No, we have to cut that short, because right about now, burritos, you will have to go over to Barracks Entertainment YouTube channel to finish watching that trailer. Look pan drama, look pan niceness. And so burritos, a lot of young people have been watching this series and they're absolutely in love with the content, because burritos, there are positive themes coming out of this series, and for all of these themes there is a lesson at the end. And really and truly, burritos, I'm just loving the amalgamation of utilizing experienced actors along with young and upcoming fresh talents, you know, them coming together to bring this storyline to the forefront. Because trust me, sometimes we need somebody for push the youths them and give the little youths them a chance. You understand? And that's what I realize Barracks Entertainment is doing. And I know for a fact that production takes a lot of work, a lot of stress, and sometimes it can get hectic. So I really appreciate the fact that season 3 is coming out hotter than ever. And they have also been sharing some behind the scenes footage of what production has been like. So now take a look. Yeah man, burritos, so everything is coming together and I am really looking forward to the output of season 3, because, you know, burritos, just a little secret between me and Uno. You know, I may just happen to be one of the characters in the show. I may possibly, you know, play the character of Tessie, the nice, sweet Christian girl, yes.
What's the thing say fronted again? That's why you run come here so quick. This is when you talk about all the panic mind is sex.
But yeah man, as one of the actors, I am 100% looking forward to the release of this show, because I know say it's gonna be pure pandemonium. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do we have any Balla fans right now on the channel? And also, what new drama are you expecting to see in season 3? Sound off down below. Alright, burritos, so moving right along into the next story. So recently, love and hip-hop star Safaree posted a little video on social media pretty much stating that he was, a bit displeased about the about the length of his shorts. Oh, no, take a look.
I'm very upset right now. Got these shorts. These are way too big. These are a size small and they're still big. Very upset about this. Very upset. Like, I want my shorts to look like they could fit my son. These, no.
Okay, Safaree. Okay, well, I am not quite sure exactly how short you want the shorts to be. At the end of the day, the Jamaican girl, them like wear them batty rider. So I don't know if it's a case where Safaree, wants a little batty rider for a shorts. But when you looked in the comment section, a lot of persons were commenting that, boy, the shorts kind of, it kind of a little bit short already. But really and truly, burritos, at the end of the day, maybe Safaree just want to show off him nice, clean legs. Because what I'm getting to understand is that it was his birthday the other day and he posted this video of himself doing the drift dance but as a robot, because according to him he wanted to be a robot on his birthday.
Safaree, get the robot drift. Narco robotics, make up yourself. Marco. Scientists, look at the shout. Robot time. You hype it up, you hype it up. Go, go, go. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, go. All right, y'all. Here we go. Hey, hey, yeah. Somebody say,
However, when I looked closely at that video, I realized I see me now shorts. But the shorts is not that short. I'm not sure if it's a case where him say, listen, I never get the shorts from me once, so I'm just find one little shorts out of my closet. So it has me wondering, did Safaree want these shorts because it was his birthday, and him want to try something new? To show off the nice, clean, toned legs? Because really and truly, when it's my birthday, I believe that I can wear whatever I want to wear. Right? Because it's my birthday and I am being celebrated. So I choose to wear what I please. But yeah, man, burritos, all fun and jokes aside, I feel like what Safaree probably needs to do right now is to probably take up this issue with whosoever sold him that shorts, whatever company it is that may have possibly shipped it to him. Because trust me, in the video, him did sound extremely dissatisfied. But yeah, man, burritos, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Only thing that the shorts say is a little bit too short for Safaree? Or do you believe that because his birthday is coming up, he wanted to celebrate in nice, fine style? Sound off in the comment section down below. And that is it for today's Countdown Quickie. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your girl Dendra signing out.